Using WhatsApp on Android is convenient, but updating it regularly is crucial. Without updates, you may miss new features, face errors, or experience slow performance. In this video, we'll show you how to update WhatsApp and fix common update issues. Part 1. Guide to update WhatsApp on Android. Update in Settings. Open WhatsApp Options Settings Updates. Check for updates and follow prompts. Update in Google Play Store. Close WhatsApp. Go to Play Store. My Apps and Games. Tap Update for WhatsApp. Part 2. Problems you might meet while updating WhatsApp. Issue 1. App crashes. Clear WhatsApp cache and restart. If needed, backup chats and reinstall. Issue 2. Google Play error. Restart device. Remove and re-add Google account in Settings. Accounts. Google. 3. Clear caches of Google Play. Clear the cache and data of Google Play Store and Google Play services, then reboot your phone. If needed, remove and re-add your Google account before attempting the update again. Issue 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. Uninstall in Settings and reinstall from Google Play. Issue 5. Download APK. Download from whatsapp.com and install manually. Issue 6. Android compatibility. Check for updates or use a supported device. Issue 7. Insufficient storage. Clear space or Google Play cache. Issue 8. WhatsApp not available. Use a VPN and download APK or from Google Play. Issue 9. Update stuck. Switch to better Wi-Fi. Restart or clear Google Play cache.